After the events of WWE Bad Blood, fans are eager for a follow-up involving Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Roman Reigns, and Cody Rhodes. Reports indicate that The Rock and Rhodes filmed content during the premiere of Moana 2, raising questions about their storyline context. With upcoming events like Saturday night's main event and the Royal Rumble, fans anticipate more developments soon. Moana 2 has been a significant success for The Rock, who reprises his role as Maui. The film grossed a record-breaking $225 million worldwide during its Thanksgiving weekend release. Additionally, The Rock is set to return for a live-action remake of the original Moana, further expanding the franchise. Earlier this year, The Rock and Rhodes were involved in a heated rivalry. The Rock's return hinted at a potential match against Reigns at WrestleMania XL. However, after Rhodes won the 2024 Men's Royal Rumble, he controversially offered his championship match to The Rock, sparking fan backlash with the #WeWantCody movement. At WrestleMania XL, The Rock and Reigns teamed up against Rhodes and Seth Rollins. With the stakes high, Rhodes managed to defeat Reigns despite interference from The Rock and others, holding the undisputed WWE Championship for over 200 days. The Rock's return at Bad Blood further complicates the narrative, as he seems to be refocusing on Rhodes after their recent confrontation.